Gulfstream waters. This land was me, you and me. I roam and rambled, and I followed my footsteps to the sparkling sands of her diamond desert. And all around me, a voice was sounding. This land was me, you and me. This land is your land, this land is my land. From California to the New York Island, redwood forest to the Gulfstream waters. This land was me, you and me. The sun comes shining, then I was strolling, and the wind was waving, and the dust cloud rolling. A voice was chanting as the fog was lifting.